The Enjc, in a press conference today, expressed discontentment over the indecisive nature of the state government. Speaking to the media, the president of the Enjc, Sambormi Lingdo, said, "This is a democratic country. The state has to listen to the voice of the people." From the organization, they don't want to file another FIR. For the last 1 week, there is no progress in finding the legitimate owner of the quarry where the 6 miners died. Therefore, they urged the government to go for CBI inquiry, since most of the people in the state are eager to know the truth and who is at fault.
Marman hagani hagapor sim statement lagi press sim statement ni gitu ki bahayeng jong gitu bakla ki tho bagani ki pada yong ke di jongu ba tiu ba jong ba bison tare ni pat ni dawa ban long daga sibayan kwairi mengin lap kan kadai sisa bagi dei itu ki breu na lada dei ki we ro bale ke slam ban pau do menta iman ke don ke salendet tinggal dawa ban ai daga sibayan kwairi khang bakan long shai ke ye ngemla wan ong baga de jong no rengi kwa menta ba ke police department imat bakamla balai rengi kwa mangin yo daga sibai ke inquiry khang bakan long shai tare ke balangor ko we ke tar ba kumno gitu kira kharo ginot ban pan pau ke kerteng gitu gibro la rajia bagini gibro kumbe gitra ke kontrai gibro gyo tare do menta ngle rengi ngim ko so ban ai ke FIR margi police la ya cekma rengi kwa sendon ba ka government ni kan ai lagi inquiry di jong ke CBI inquiry kerang bakan yesai ngatarai bro di pai ba jong celar di kwa mentip mano buran kiti hage hejing de ngi jing sia palagi simpor police department hado arti yang menta kampat lap yo to try de yo bagi kita ki beri buran kiti man kon try kita kuari